Here is a Heritage made by TAT ceiling fan, 36-inch. I got in this at Fanimation, I believe from Chandru, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't really done anything with this fan other than I had it installed in my parents' garage for test, and that was it. Now I have it installed on the display in the basement. I'm honestly thinking about keeping it up here for a while, just because it's a TAT and I like TATs. Anyway, with that said, we'll start up on low. I believe it had a light kit on it at one point, judging by the centerpiece missing. Which, looking at it harder, it did have a light kit on it because the center of it's bent inward, as if it got smashed in. But throws out a gentle breeze, nothing too crazy. Go to medium. Does wobble. It was wobbling a lot worse, but I got the blades balanced as much as I can get. I think the motor might be out of tune from factory. I'll go high. Yeah, it doesn't wobble anywhere near as bad as what it was in my parents' garage. But it's a really good air mover. Nothing like the SMC from previous video. But it throws out some good wind. But yeah. It almost looks kind of sort of similar to my View fan 36-inch and polished brass, but obviously not because it's a View fan, and this is a TAT, Heritage TAT. But if you're like standing from afar and you're staring at them, they would look almost the same. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.